Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to delete cache files on Windows 10. Now you need to know that this method will work on both Windows, Windows 10 or Windows 11 or any other Windows. But you should follow my steps carefully and accurately. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply click on the Windows button plus or you can simply go to the search icon, then type here run. After you type run, it will open this window right here. And now what you should do is to simply delete all of this and type here prefetch, just like so. Prefetch, then click on OK, then click on continue to ask you for the permission, and it will open this interface. Now you should click on any one of these files, then click on Ctrl plus A in order to select all. So again, select any one of these files, Ctrl plus A, then Shift delete, okay, Shift delete in order to delete them permanently, then click on yes. And of course, some of the folders may not be able to be deleted. Just click on do this for all current items, then click on skip. This is the first step. And now what you should do, the second step, is to simply type here temp, then click on OK. It will open this folder. You should click on one of these files, then click on Ctrl A, then click on Shift Delete again. Choose a file, Ctrl A, Shift Delete, then click on yes. And of course, some of the files or folders may not be available to be deleted because, of course, they are in use. Because here I'm using actually the Adobe and I'm using the screen recorder. These files cannot be actually deleted right now. Now let's jump into the step number 3. Again, Windows plus R. Then this time we will gonna type %temp %. Then click on OK, and it will open these files. Now there are many files, so I'm gonna click on any one of them, then click on Ctrl A, and I'm gonna check how many megabytes are these files. They are 229 megabytes, so I'm gonna delete them all. Shift delete again. Some files may not be able to be deleted. Just click on do this for all current items, then click on skip, and we are all done. Now we still have the last step. I'm gonna click on Windows R again. Then what you should do is to type here clean mgr, then click on OK. Then by default tool, choose the C. I'm gonna click on OK. Then what you should do is to click on these options. Just click on all these options, then click on OK or clean up system files, and you're all done. And that's all for this video. As I mentioned, it works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.